Hey friends, I hope you all doing great. And today I just want to show you few websites where you can practice programming. Okay, so the reason I am recording this video is I just recently saw that my friends and other juniors are just afraid to participate in any competition, whether it is online or offline. So because they just learn the languages and they never practiced it. So I just want to show you few websites to practice programming. So just know that you don't have to be an expert programmer to participate in online contests or to practice online in any website. So all the things are there are from beginner to the expert, so you can just go to that website and start practicing. So beginners just have that mindset like, once I become a good programmer, then I will visit those websites and start solving those questions. So the fact is, you will never become a good programmer if you don't start practicing. So just start from now and you will be a good programmer very soon. So, and some beginners don't even know where to practice, and some have heard some websites but they didn't ever try that. So just listen, let me show you few websites where you can practice. So this is the first website where I started my programming practice long ago, and I like this website. This is a great website, but it is not exactly about programming. It is more like mathematics, but you can practice programming here too. So so the question starts from a easy level, and as you progress the questions gets harder, and there is a lot of questions. As you can see, 13 pages, and if you make your account you will see your progress and how many questions you have answered and all these histories. Okay, so okay, what happened to my internet? Okay, I don't know, so maybe it's not working anymore. Okay, so this is the website. So project Toilet, just visit it and to read some questions. So it's not that hard if you just look at those first questions, and to answer those questions you need an account. Okay, this is it, and you won't see this answer here at first when you log in for the first time. So I just answered that question. That's why I can see the answer now. So if you look at this question, it is just 1 or 2 line questions, just a simple question, and you have to answer it through your program, and you will get a number as answer, and you just have to put that number here and it will say is it a right answer or not. So all the questions here has exactly one answer, so you just have to find out that exact one answer through your programming. So it is a great website to practice logics. Okay, and the second is CodeSafe. So it's an awesome website, I think. So it has all those levels from beginner to hard, challenging and all that. So you just can start from beginner. Okay, and it's a little different than that Project Euler. Project Euler is specifically just about logic, and you will see this to the point questions, which is exactly like a mathematics question, but here it is more like you will see these type of questions, descriptive type of questions in most of the competitions, and this is the question. This whole thing is actually the question. So this is like a story. So you will find out that when you read this question there is a story behind it, like a code is like a chef is cooking something and he has these recipes and all that. So those are represented by numbers. After all, the thing is you have to understand the story, and then the after that it again becomes numbers. Okay, numbers are all over the places, and it has all the explanation you need to program that. and the type of inputs you need and the ranges of input. And this is exactly what you will see in competitions, okay, whether it is offline competition and online competition. So most of the places you most of the in the most of competitions you will see this type of questions, descriptive type of questions. And so I like this website because it exactly like a mock contest. And so it has all the compilers you need, like Java, C, Python. You don't have to learn new language to answer these questions, okay. It has all the things you need. You just need to make an account and get started, okay. And once more, that you don't have to be an expert to get started, okay. So no matter, doesn't matter, you are, maybe you are just getting started with your first programming language, and so that doesn't matter actually. You just need to practice logics. And even if you know 100 languages, so, and you don't know how to build logics the way you want your program to act, and it's not working, so knowing that 100 languages is quite meaningless. So as I have seen that people are more into learning new languages than building logic, so that's not a right thing, I'd say. Because if you know the logic, and then learning new programming languages wouldn't be that hard, because you just have to know the syntax. So that's all, because you already know for loop and while loop, if else, and every language have that loops and if else and all that. So few things just changes, the data type maybe, and some other little bit of here and there, those things just changes. The main thing is still the same, the logic. And so this is a great website, okay. And you can practice here, and you can run your code when you are submitting the answer. You can literally write here, or you can just upload a source file, okay. So you just need to choose the compiler you need. Maybe you are going to upload a Java file, so browse to that Java file and then upload it, okay. And it will say you your answer is correct or not. So just that's it. And then you have this latecode. So the thing I like about latecode is weekly contest, okay. So it has that, it also has this practicing questions, okay. And okay, let me first log in. Okay, so you have all those things you need to practice here. And so it has this specific, if you want to specifically practice about algorithms, you can just go to algorithms, and it will just show you the questions related to those algorithms, database, operating system, okay. So, and it also has these levels, easy, hard and medium, so it's up to you. And it has this, as I said, contest, weekly contest. So every Sunday in the morning it has a contest for just 1.5 hours according to Indian time, okay. So you can just participate in that. And recently they have started this virtual contest, it wasn't there before, so I haven't tried this one, but this one is great. I used to participate in this one. So the questions are not that hard, just 4 questions, and actually the first 2 questions is not that hard, I can say that. So just try to at least answer the first question if you are beginner, so it will give you a lot of confidence, okay. And this is the website, and you can have this other mock interview and past sessions and past contest questions you can see. And so that's all about this website. And then you have this geeks for geeks. By the way, all the links will be in the description if you want to go and visit this website. And this is geeks for geeks, you may have heard about it, but I personally don't like this one. But although I have an account here, it is more like all in one. It is like book and practice together. So as you can see, I just have opened this introduction to array, and it has all the descriptions like a book, and then it will also have some, you will see also some practice exercise are there, and it has all the things you need to be a programmer or computer science student. Okay, so everything is here: database and data structure, quizzes, and specifically if you want to learn some languages, if you want to learn Java, and here you have all the things you need to know about Java. All the topics are covered here, so you can just get started, okay, without any book. Okay, so this is the fun about computer engineering. All the things you need, the knowledge and those practicing things, everything is free, so it's just up to you. So if you just look at that website, Stack Overflow, so no matter what they are getting from that website, but the point is we are getting all those knowledge and these things for free. Okay, so that matters actually for us. So this one is great for everyone, I would say. So it also has these levels, difficulty levels: basics, easy, expert, and all the things you need for great practice, and for students, interviews, algorithm if you want to practice algorithm, and data structure. And it has also quizzes, so just visit once and look which one you like and just get started. And again, you don't have to be an expert to get started and to answer even the easy questions. Just read the questions and you'll see the first few questions are not even that hard. Okay, so that's it for this video, and see you in our next video.